Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpet and I'm here today with another important video for all the KSET aspirants out there. So before I begin my video, I would like to say if you're new here, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're preparing for KSET English Literature and have one whole year to prepare, then congratulations, you have got plenty of time to plan and ace the exam. So in this video, I will share a detailed 12 months preparation strategy, breaking it down into manageable phases, resources and tips to help you succeed. So let's get started. Before we dive into the study plan, let's first understand the exam. The KSET exam has two papers. Paper 1, General Aptitude, Teaching Methodology and Reasoning. So there are a lot of chapters are there, and Paper 2 is subject specific, which for you is English Literature. So paper 2, test your knowledge of literary history, theory, criticism and genres like poetry, drama and fiction. So your preparation must cover all these areas systematically. So year-long study plan. So let's break your preparation into 4 phases. Yes. Phase 1. First 3 months foundation building. So focus on literary history, that is study major periods like the Renaissance, Romanticism, Victorian era and modernism. Learn about key authors like Shakespeare, Wordsworth, Virginia Woolf and T.S. Eliot. Use standard books like a History of English Literature by William J. Long or English Literature by David Dyches. So dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to studying. So moving on, phase 2. Next 3 months, literary criticism and genres. So dive into the literary criticism and theory. Learn about Aristotle, Dryden, Derrida and structuralism. Study genres like poetry, drama and fiction and understand their key elements. And the most important thing is practice MCQs from previous papers to test your understanding. Phase number 3. So next 3 months advanced study and paper 1. Focus on advanced topics like contemporary theory and cultural studies. For paper 1, dedicate time to topics like teaching aptitude, reasoning and comprehension. Use resources like NTA Net Paper 1 books and start solving mock tests regularly to improve speed and accuracy. So phase number 4, final 3 months revision and practice. Revise all the topics systematically. Focus on high weightage topics based on previous year's papers. Take full-length mock tests every week and analyze your performance. Revise difficult topics multiple times during this phase. And yes, so moving on, recommended resources. So here are some of the best resources for KSET English preparation. Books for paper 2. The first one that I am recommending for you all is A History of English Literature by William J. Long. And the second book, Contemporary Literary and Cultural Theory by Pramod K. Nayar. And the third one is Literary Terms by M.H. Abrahams. Books for paper 1, Teaching and Research Aptitude by, you must please purchase this book by Dr. Arpita Karwa. And second book that I am recommending for Teaching and Research Aptitude by KVS Madan. And the third one is Logical Reasoning Guides from Arihant or Trumans. And when talking about online resources, NPTEL lectures of literary theory and criticism, mock test and practice papers from grade up or test books are very essential. Here are some additional tips to maximize your preparation. Start early. Since you have a year, build a strong foundation in the first 6 months. And consistency is key. So study every day, even if it's just for 1 to 2 hours. Track your progress. Use a study tracker to ensure you are covering all topics. And take notes. But while taking notes, note taking should not be very lengthy. Like if I am or anyone else is providing you lectures, it should not be like you're writing down every single word in your textbook. So it should be very like point to like very important point that you should have to note down, like write summaries of each topic to make revision easier later. And stay updated. Follow recent trends in English literature and criticism. And the last one is revision is key. Yes, revision is key to success. Revision is the process of revisiting and reinforcing what you have already studied. It ensures that the knowledge you have acquired remains fresh in your mind and helps you recall it effectively during the exam. For exams like KSET, where the syllabus is vast, revision plays a crucial role in bridging the gap between preparation and performance. So when you revise, you reinforce the information stored in your brain, making it easier to recall. Regular revision helps convert short-term knowledge into long-term memory. Remember, 1 year is a great amount of time to prepare for the KSET exam. If you plan your studies well and stay consistent, success is within your reach. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow aspirants, and subscribe to my channel for more KSET preparation tips and guidance. If you have any questions or specific topics you would like me to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy studying and all the best.